Wow, guys. Look at all this freaking snow here. This is crazy. What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, guys. Snow day. Snow flight. We out here with the little guy. This is the Tech RC Predator. This is a 720p Wi-Fi FPV drone, guys. Come with this little transmitter here. You see I got my phone already in a little mount. Real cute little transmitter, man. And we're gonna go for a snow day flight. Hopefully I'm not getting no snow on my lens or snow on the camera. But we're gonna go and take this guy for a real quick flight night. Let's get it. So go ahead and pop the battery in here. Turn on the drone. Drone has some blue LEDs that look like eyes up in the front, guys. Go ahead and up, down. We should be bound. Go ahead and get this bad boy going. Connect to the Wi-Fi, this bad boy. Mini RC. Is the Wi-Fi. Are you going to connect? Yes, we're connected. Go ahead and start the screen recording. Screen started 3, 2. Okay, screen recorder is started, guys. Screen recorder is started. We want this Mini RC app. Oh, I want you to open it. I'm gonna switch my phone around. All right, we're gonna click play. And we should have Wi-Fi FPV feed. All right, guys. Seeing nothing but snow right now. And you guys know this camera's kind of angled down like 40, maybe 45 degrees. So you see pretty much nothing but the ground when you start with this boy. It's a little breezy. I'm gonna go to the highest rate. Start the recording. So the recording is started, you guys. And let's automatic takeoff. So I got the screen recording going and I got the turn Wi-Fi. Let me stop the recording. Allow access off photo. Start another recording because it kind of stopped there for a second. So I got the screen recording going and I got the recording going to the camera, guys. So, and they should pretty much look the same. Tech RC, man. It comes with 2 little batteries. This is the small boy. Got the prop guard. There I am. You guys can see me. Drones and dogs in this thing, waving. Man, look at all this freaking snow out here, y'all. This is crazy. It's peppy in the third rate. Trying to do flips. I thought I was doing flips. It wasn't letting me do it. Nope, it's not letting me do any flips. That's crazy. I know it flips because I flipped it before, but it's not letting me do any flips. And my recording has stopped for some reason. I started another recording. I looked down, my recording was stopped. So, got the recording going again. Tech RC Predator, you guys. Hopefully you can see this little thing up there. It's a tiny little boy. Tiny little drone. Here's a flip. I'm about to say, I know you flip. Short press on the 3D roll button flips it. Yeah, that camera being, you want to flip that time either. That camera being angled down so much, you see a lot of the ground. Oh. I looked down, I almost got hit by the branch. Just flying this bad boy around, letting y'all get a gander at the bad boy, the Tech RC Predator Wi-Fi FPV drone. So not a bad little flyer, like I said. It should have just not have angled that camera down so much, so you can get a better point of view, or FPV point of view, I should say. What you guys think about all this lake effect snow we got here, y'all? It's crazy. It is crazy. Stay away from them branches. Flying good. Like I said, this bad boy comes with 2 batteries. I apologize if I'm getting any, it's snowing, y'all, as we speak, so I apologize if I'm getting any snow on my lens. As we fly this little Predator. So with this recording, I got 2 minutes of recording going. Because it stopped a few times, so I actually had more recording going than that, but it for some reason, it stopped itself a few times. There I go, you guys see me. Not a bad little flyer at all. And this is a tiny drone, guys. You don't want to go too far with it. People always ask, how far can it go? Farther than you'll want it to go. Farther to where it won't come back. And that's the benefits of Wi-Fi FPV, guys. We got over 3 minutes of recording though. That's not too bad with the bad boy. I'm gonna go ahead and stop that recording so I save something. Took a photo. Try to take a photo. Let's try to. It's holding it pretty still. I was trying to take a photo of myself. It wouldn't let me. I was trying to. No, it wouldn't let me. I was tapping on the photo icon and it was not letting me take a photo. Nope. For some reason, not letting me take a photo. But that's cool. So let's see if we got LVC. I believe this transmitter flashes or beeps. I thought we could get LVC work. Oh, that's what. Look. Nope. Still solid lights. Yeah, so I think this transmitter beeps when we get low voltage warning. And blue lights up front also flash, but it's not flashing. This is a solid little flyer, man. Solid little flyer. Still no flashing lights yet, so let's fly this bad boy around. Flying pretty decent. This is a perfect little, what I would call like a front yard, backyard flyer, guys. It's not gonna be no long range, send it little thing like that, nothing like that. This is just a learn to fly quadcopter, something you don't even really need to worry about the camera too much about. Just learn how to fly with it. It's something cheap that you can get, pick it up and hone your skills, so to speak. Flying around pretty nimble. Got a decent flight time out of this battery. Get 2 batteries. Look at it. Uh-oh, there's our flashing LEDs. So now we need to land. I'm gonna hit this automatic land button. the Tech RC Predator Mini Wi-Fi FPV Drone, guys. Your boy Drones and Dogs. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next episode. You know what it is. Deuces. Woo.